up, guys? My name's Eddie and I'm with Central Floor Supply, and today we're going to be doing a video on how to prep a floor prior to installation to luxury vinyl planks. And today we'll be using some of the products that we'll be using is a mixing compound. We like Ardex Feather Finish. But prior to mixing this compound, you want to make sure that you're free of dust, any rocks, pebbles, so that it don't damage your floor before you install it. So I already went ahead, swept it, cleaned out all the cracks and holes so that we can start mixing. Okay? Now in this case, it's a little area that we're gonna be filling in. So we're just gonna mix it right here, right on the concrete. It's not gonna be a whole lot that we're gonna mix. So I'll drop a little there. Make sure you have some water, a trowel, and what you want to do is kind of just spread it out a little bit, leave some in the middle. Now again, when you're using this stuff, you don't want to pour too much water into it because then it becomes too runny and it's just going to go everywhere. So you want to have just enough water in there. You can always add water, or you can always add a little bit more patch if you have to. But you just want to mix it to where it's just right to be able to fill it in, the holes and cracks. You might have to hit it more than once. Now you kind of got to get a feel for it as you start mixing it. You want to try to get most of the clumps out of it. And I think we're ready to go. So you take it and you swipe it, fill it in, and like I said, you might have to hit more than once. You want to make sure you get all the holes before you install the LVT. As you can see, we already hit some areas before. This side is pretty much dry, and it started to sink in because the crack was kind of deep. So what we want to do is hit it one more time. Hit it one time, let it dry, come back, and do it one more time. And that should do it. Alright guys, now that the floor is all dried up, what we want to do next is grab a scraper, or a putty knife would work, and what you want to do is start scraping all the excess patch so that you have a nice clean surface before you install the LVP. So what you want to do is, kind of just go over it. Now you don't want to dig into it because then you might have, you might damage the floor. So you just want to go over it, nice and easy, and just get any imperfections in the actual floor. Okay, now that we got the floor all scraped up, what you want to do next is sweep it. You can vacuum as well. The cleaner the floor, the better the bond. If you want to see the installation of the vinyl plank, subscribe down below. If you like this, give us the thumbs up. If you have any suggestions, comment below, let us know. Thank you. God bless you.